Ready to unleash your leg power? Grab a sturdy chair. Let's get started. Strong legs are key for an active life. These exercises build strength and improve balance. You'll move with more ease and power. Let's do this. First up, the partial squat. This exercise is perfect for beginners and those looking to strengthen their lower body without putting too much strain on the knees. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. This stance provides a stable base and ensures proper alignment throughout the movement. Lower yourself down like sitting in a chair. Imagine there's an invisible chair behind you. This helps in maintaining balance and proper form. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Engaging your core not only supports your lower back but also enhances overall stability. Go down halfway, then push back up. Aim for 10 repetitions. This range of motion targets the quadriceps and glutes effectively. Too easy? Hold a weight for an extra challenge. Adding resistance can help in building muscle strength and endurance. Remember, proper form is crucial. Incorrect form can lead to injuries, so always prioritize technique over depth. Keep those knees in line with your toes. This alignment prevents undue stress on the knee joints. This exercise builds foundational leg strength. Consistent practice will improve your overall lower body stability and power. Ready for more? Let's conquer the deep squat. Start with feet slightly wider. Lower down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your heels to return to standing. Aim for 8 reps. This one's a powerhouse. It targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Maintain good posture throughout. Focus on smooth, controlled movements. Feeling the burn? That's progress. Section 4. Sit to stand powerhouse. This exercise is designed to enhance your lower body strength and improve your overall mobility. It's perfect for all fitness levels and can be done anywhere you have a chair. Now grab that chair for the chair-assisted sit to stand. Make sure the chair is stable and placed on a flat surface to avoid any slips or falls. Sit on the edge of the chair, feet flat on the floor. Your knees should be at a 90-degree angle and your back should be straight. This starting position is crucial for maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Lean forward slightly and stand up, using your legs to push you up. Engage your core muscles as you rise. Slowly lower back down, controlling the movement. Repeat 12 times. Remember, quality over quantity. This exercise improves daily functional strength. It targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, making everyday activities like standing up from a chair or climbing stairs much easier. It makes everyday movements easier. You'll notice a significant improvement in your ability to perform daily tasks with less effort and more confidence. Keep your core engaged and back straight. This not only helps in maintaining balance but also ensures that you are working your muscles effectively and safely. As you get stronger, use less assistance from the chair. Challenge yourself by using just your fingertips for balance or even performing the exercise without holding onto the chair at all. And Section 5. Rise to the challenge, reap the rewards. This is where we push ourselves to the limit and see the true benefits of our hard work. It's not just about the physical gains, but also about the mental strength we build along the way. Let's finish strong with the cross-chest sit to stand. This exercise is fantastic for building lower body strength and improving your overall stability. It's a simple yet effective move that can be done anywhere, anytime. Cross your arms over your chest. This position helps engage your core and ensures that your legs are doing most of the work, which is crucial for building strength. Stand in front of the chair. Make sure your feet are shoulder width apart and your back is straight. This setup is important for maintaining proper form and preventing injury. Slowly lower yourself down until you gently touch the chair. Control is key here. Don't just plop down. Use your muscles to guide your movement. This will maximize the benefits of the exercise. Stand back up, using your leg muscles. Do this 10 times. Feel the burn and embrace it. This is where the magic happens. Amazing work. You've challenged your legs and boosted your fitness. This sense of accomplishment is what keeps us coming back for more. It's a reminder of what we're capable of achieving. These exercises, done consistently, will transform your lower body strength. Consistency is the secret ingredient to success. Make this a regular part of your routine and watch your strength soar. You'll notice improvements in balance, power, and ease of movement. These benefits extend beyond the gym and into your daily life. Remember, consistency is key. Keep pushing and the rewards will follow. Like this video and subscribe for more fitness tips. Your support helps us create more content to keep you motivated and on track with your fitness journey. Visit my website for workout plans and healthy recipes. You've got this. Together, we can achieve our fitness goals and lead healthier, happier lives.